Hello and welcome back to this review of Scalability Pro created by Kump. Today we're going to talk about the third part of this course, and that is the process. So you definitely want to pay attention to this video. And if you're ready to get started with Scalability Pro, the course that's for beginners, click on the link below to get started and you won't regret it. I'm telling you, I just took this course again and it's unbelievable, packed with information that's going to help to explode your business. My name is Shelton, and let's go ahead and dive into this content. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, because this is the place to be to grow your brand and to grow your bank account. You know what time it is. Let's go ahead and do this. Now look at this page right here. It says, what if you had a proven plan for sustained growth? Now, this is important because Scalability Pro is all about scaling your business, getting started, and even exploding it, exploding your business. Now, look at this here. Scalability Pro will give you the confidence you need so you can feel good about where you and your business are headed. That's very, very key because I'm going to show you the third part of this section is beginning the process. Just like it said here about a proven plan, what we're going to talk about in this review here is about beginning the process. And the first part of that is reinvesting everything you earn in your business for growth. Now, reinvesting is very, very important because that's part of the plan. It's part of the proven plan is reinvesting back to your business. Now, I know you probably, let's say you make $100 in your business. Now, Kump is going to talk about what you're supposed to do with that $100. Now, I'm not gonna give you too much of exactly what happens in the video training. You definitely need to take advantage of this opportunity by clicking on the link below to get started with this training. Now, reinvesting, there is a PDF in the reinvesting section, so you can download the lesson worksheet, which I absolutely love. Is because you may have some information, you may have some notes that you need to take. You can write them down, put them on your wall, put them on your table, or even put them in your phone and have them with you. So reinvesting is a big part of the process. Now, the next thing is going to be routines and consistency. You want to go ahead and do that. Now, routines is very, very key because without a routine, then it's very easy to get distracted. It's very easy to get out of sight of your business and start doing other things. I'm telling you, distraction is definitely one of the things that can really can really destroy a business and can destroy any type of function that you have. It can hurt your scaling. So routines and consistency is important in this as well. You definitely want to be able to do that. Now, back to what I was saying before, when we're talking about scalability will give you the confidence you need, a proven plan for sustained growth. This part, number 3 of this section, is all about that and more. Now, the whole course definitely can help you in terms of your plan, your growth, and where you want to be. But pay attention to reinvesting. I'm telling you, reinvesting, and also routine and consistency. I'm telling you, without consistency, it's really hard to get traction. It's really hard to get a momentum going on in your business. Now, that actually gives me one idea that I just thought about. Just one idea I want to say. It says here, I want to show right here. What if you had a simple trick that helped you scale and grow every week, month, and a year? You definitely need to take this course here, especially in part 3. It definitely is going to help you with that, with reinvesting and routine consistency. Click on the link below to get access to the course. And that basically concludes the review of part 3 of Scalability Pro created by Kump. Click on the link below to get started with this course. I'll be back with another review of Scalability Pro. We're going to be talking about building the momentum. So you want to pay attention to that video as well. And I'll see you on the next video.